All right, if you've got an RTV900 Kubota diesel UTV and you want to change out the fuel filter, it does not look like this. These are in a lot of videos. It's the X900 that uses this, and it's underneath the front wheel or the rear wheel, right under the fuel filler tank there. This is not it. You don't need this one. This is the one you're going to need. It's an inline one. Looks like kind you put on a moped or a motorcycle or whatever. Here's the numbers. Air filter, fuel filter assembly there. This is located right down in here. So you're going to need your handy dandy channel lock scraping tool here to dig out all the crud and dirt that's probably built up, because that's where your filter is, right there. That's what you got to change out. Now, if you don't have the bed raised, if the truck's not running, all you got to do that, lift this lever here, pull it back, and then you can pull the unit back up by hand. It's heavy. And then you just kind of lock it back there, and it'll sit down and it'll lock there. It's probably a good idea to put some reinforcing here, stick or something, so this doesn't come down on you, because that's where you're going to be. That's where the filter is. That's how you find it. I figured this video could help out a lot of people, because finding the fuel filter on these things isn't in a lot of videos. And it's just down there. It just got clamps on either end of it. It's a real basic style fuel filter. You know the deal. Just going to swap that out. You're going to be good to go. Hey, I hope that helped. Have a great day.